Dang, I wish y'all could see that cardinal. Okay, there it is. Pictures ain't doing it any justice right there. Neither is this video. Oh, hey, there's mountains. Looks like it's the GC of NC right there. Yeah. All right, Trigger, you ready? You ready, dude? I'm gonna go for a little hike.
Yeah.
Hike with my cousin Alan. Cool stuff.
Yeah.
You know, I mean, you see some cool shit on the AT, but you don't get to see North Carolina like this on the Appalachian Trail. What's up, buddy?
Yeah.
Wow.
See all these bare rocks here?
Yeah.
There's a trail, the rock jump trail that I was talking about earlier. Hikes along the top of that.
Okay.
Because like we hike down to the river, take the river northbound, then hike back up to the edge, and go back southbound to the truck.
The warehouse. Singing Dave Matthews songs live at the Gorge while I'm live at the Gorge. That's how I'm living. King of the world. This is an awesome spot, man.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I love it here.
Wow. This is a spot that I'm coming back to.
Oh yeah.
I had a good time hanging out with my cousin and his dog Trigger yesterday. We stayed at this campsite by Saddleback or something like that. I'm about to climb up Saddleback here in a minute. Let's see if we could get a little sun. This right here looks flat as hell on the camera, but it definitely ain't. But yeah, I had a good time. He had to go back. Today's gonna be another short, mild day. To be honest, I'm not trying to pass Asheville. So it's the 24th, I believe. And I gotta fly the 2nd. I mean, I got plenty of time to get there, but I'm not trying to pass Asheville. So I'll take my time as long as it takes to get there by the 31st or the 1st. I prefer being there the 31st. I met a friend from the trail I met early on my Appalachian Thru hike, Journeyman. I never saw him again after he had set up camp the next day, other than trail days. I always see him at trail days, and we always have great conversations. And now we're friends on Facebook, and he's offering, he lives in Nashville, and he's offering to give me a place to stay and give me a ride to the airport. So keep in contact with him, see how things go. But I really don't want to pass Asheville. So that way, whenever I do get back on the trail after me and Mom's road trip, that I'll just get back on in Asheville. All right. The trail right now. Welcome to Jurassic Park. Yeah. Time to play one of my favorite games called The Ground is Lava. And I'm already gonna die. Damn, it was so much better back there. Whoo. I ain't dead yet though. Oh, still ain't dead. All right, that's it for now. From this side, okay, I see it a lot better. Little GC of NC, but with tree. Know what I mean? Know what I'm saying? Gorgeous. Can't get enough of that. Wow. This view, wow. This might be my favorite one yet. Feels like it's up close and personal. Somewhere back there, can't really see because of the clouds, Mount Mitchell. Could be over there, but this direction. Just walked up on this bad boy right here. Now this snake right here is venomous. I think I said poison. Ho, 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 ho. Damn. Yeah. That's a rattler, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, shit. I don't think I've ever jumped like that for a snake. Whew. Yeah, I'm gonna wait right here for my man, Tough Love, who's coming up. Keep an eye on this snake. Don't want him to walk up on it like I did. I had my headphones on. I saw that head. I was like, nope. Venomous. And he's just sitting there chilling, wanting me to cross this motherfucker. Can't see it in this video, but he's there still. Oh, there's that head. You could tell when snakes are venomous by the shape of their head, most of the time. Out here in North Carolina, I believe that's the case. But if they're shaped like a arrow, like that one, you can bet your sweet ass. I just had to call one of my friend Jess back home. I show him this in FaceTime. I mean, this is gorgeous. Ha ha ha. Still lame as fuck. It's hard to get miles when you see shit like this. Ooh, looky here. A little cool shit. Ho! Always cool. Cool. What? I just took like a few steps and then I see this. What?
All right, I'm Rhett, and we met Tough Love and the Champ on our travels. And I'm Rowan.
I'm Jake. I'm Brody.
Perfect. So I am at the infamous Linville River that me and my man Tough Love's gonna have to cross. He caught up to me. And he's getting ready right now. In case you can't see, MST, baby. And all that down yonder is where we'll be going. Good stuff. Right, my man Tough Love caught up, and now he's crossing. It's awesome that you're making a cameo. Tomorrow he'll be gone. Actually, today he'll be gone past me, so my man's doing it that route. There it is. They say this river can get waist deep, but as you can tell, we are golden. There's also been kind of a drought. Maybe I said that in the last video. Whatever. And I'm saying it again. He's going the distance. He's going for speed. Nah, he's just getting there. Seems like it takes forever to cross this bad boy. Ooh, a rock. Hope we find some gold. He's almost there. Nailed it. Woo! Now it's my turn. But I'm gonna stop this bad boy. At least until I get over there. So.
Look at her go. She almost rolled into the river. That would have been hilarious, but this is still really cute. I'm gonna send this to my dog loving friends.
Me too. Hey, buddy. Hey.
Okay, Jolene. Everybody left after it was in their yard instead of out here in the woods.
So this is called Lust Rock. What's the official name?
MUST, Lust Rock. Chillowy Quartzite.
Chillowy Quartzite. I passed it and I got reprimanded for not stopping and then appreciating.
It's a nice rock.
It's a lust rock. Everybody wants this rock in their place. And look, there's the dog again.
We climbed up that bad boy yesterday and down it. It's cool. The gorge is over there. We ain't gonna do much miles today. Kind of had a weird place we stayed at yesterday, but talk about that another time. Little MST log. Still hanging with my man, Tough Love.
Tough love.
That's right.
Only love I can give.
That's it. My man, Tough Love, going
Tough
home for
love.
a couple days.
Yep. Gotta get a break
Yep.
from that trauma.
That's
Shane's
right.
gonna tell you about it.
Yeah, we had a night, and he had a night before I did. So I'm gonna talk about it soon, but right now it's still too soon. Too soon. We got to decompress about this shit.
Yeah.
So, man, good luck. See you soon.
Yeah, I appreciate you, champ.
Yeah, I appreciate you, man. We'll keep in touch, man. I want to see that KFC pic.
Oh yeah, I might, but I might just eat it 2 times.
Woo! That's really awesome. Just put your shit up right on the trail. People got no choice to walk through your fucking camp. Cool. It's about that time of year for these berries to grow. That's very nice. All that way back there, mountains behind the clouds and above them, is Mount Mitchell. I'll be coming to that real soon. And after I climb that and get on down, I'll be in Nashville. Yay. I'm here for the bloobs. Yeah. Oh, hey. Fall number 2. I don't even want to get up. I just want to lay here and take it. Yay. Looks like I got another one here. Come on, man. What's up with you, bruh? Can I move? Can I go around you? You gonna come at me? That's a big joker. That's how I'm living. Hell yeah. Look at that. I'm under 200 miles now. Barely. That's awesome. Less than 200 miles. I need to be done with this. I've enjoyed it, but just like life and any other through hike, it's got its ups and downs. Literally. But I kind of want to talk a little bit now about Trail Angel Robyn, segment 4. She was a little crazy. Not really a little. She was crazy. Pushing conspiracy theories and shit. Couple innuendos out there sexual, but it wasn't as bad, I think, for my man Tough Love the night before. It's not my business to say all that happened, but he did give me a little warning. When we were both there, he ended up staying another night just to hang out with me, and I'm glad he did. But I hate at the same time because our experience wasn't good. She fed us, which was great, you know, no big deal. You know, thankful for that. But hearing all her conspiracy theories and all that, it wasn't worth it. Like, she was pushing that shit on us. And apparently she doesn't have a good relationship with her children, which is none of our business, but she was asked what would it take, you know, to build a relationship again, and she immediately just started going into how they don't agree with her shit and her theories, and so that's why they don't talk. None of my business, but hey, there you go. She did pull a Sharon Stone from Basic Instinct, which all I'm gonna say about that is I hope what I saw was drawers. The next morning, she cooked this breakfast. Right after we ate, she starts breaking out this circle of life shit. I can't think of what it's called. All these circles, ratios, squares, or triangles, and I'm hiking. I can't think of that shit. But we didn't ask for that. No, we didn't ask for that shit. She just sat there like rolling with it. And the kicker, the thing that really fucked us up the most, is he gave her gas money, you know, for her picking him up and stuff and running him around. But she didn't run me around at all. And it didn't say in the guide anything about paying anything. She never said anything. But she waited till I packed up and was ready to leave. And then she started asking donation. Not really asking. It's like she expected it. And just this, I still did it. I didn't feel like it was worth the energy to blow up at her for all this shit. I hate that I didn't, but at the same time, the trails ain't ready for that shit. What made it all more pathetic is I had to set up a fucking PayPal account for this woman because she didn't have Cash App. She didn't have the shit that I had. So I told her I'd give her $20. She said, oh, it's better than nothing. Like, really? So our experience wasn't that great. Not trying to sound ungrateful because, you know, we've had a lot of help. But damn, she don't need to be a trail angel. It sucks that she's the only one in this segment, but she don't need to be. Damn, man. My man Tough Love went home for a couple of days to decompress. It was a bad experience for him. It was a bad experience for me. But after we left, I'm glad we had each other because we talked about a lot of stuff, a lot of shit, trail life, and you know, I'm glad I talked to him. I'm glad I got to meet that guy. So that's that. Oh yeah, I forgot about the part where after she asked for donation, First thing she said, for the eggs and for the chicken wings I cooked the night before. We were offered that shit. Nothing about paying for it. Talking about how that big ass bag of chicken wings was 40 bucks. Look, woman, I know we've been in the woods for some time and things are getting expensive. But don't come at us with that bullshit. $40 for a bag of chicken wings? I don't think so. Nah. And started talking about she don't know what she told Tough Love she don't know what to charge hikers. And then she turned to me, not even 5 minutes later, and said she usually charges hikers 60 to 80 bucks. Nah. If that's how it's gonna be, that needs to be in the guide. Because that's bullshit. She needs to say that shit before people stay and not wait till they're about to leave and come at them with that shit. Looks like I'm gonna fall if I try to rock hop that. My luck. Which I don't believe in luck. But neither here nor there. So I think I'm just gonna take off my boots and walk this one out. Woo! Here we go. Whew. Shoes in hand. Gotcha. Ooh. Nailed it. So I'm pretty sure I start climbing and climbing and climbing and then climb some more and all that today on my way to Mount Mitchell. But and then this. Kind of knew it was coming. Mountains are iffy, but forecast says all week. So it's a good way to start this ship. Yeah. Well, let's do it. Not sure what's going on here. It's gonna bug the shit out of me. All the way to Klingman's Dome and even after. I will get to the bottom of this. Mount Mitchell. Probably raining up there maybe. Nah, who knows? Could be doing anything. Sun's shining in, it's cloudy. All that shit. Beautiful though. Hey. Woo! Y'all feel that? Nah, y'all can't, but I can. Getting cooler. Higher up in elevation. Today I'll be at Mount Mitchell. Good stuff. We got the crew working hard today. Making a path for the champ and other hikers. Cool deal. So, I uploaded one of my posts on my daily posts, Facebook and Instagram. And the day that I was on was the day that me and Tough Love walked into Robyn's place. And that night, a couple trail angels and a couple higher ups on the MST had reached out and told, pretty much handled it. She has been quietly removed from being a trail angel, so no more Robyn in segment 4. I really hate, a big part of me hates that, you know, I have to be the victim here and be the one But I don't know how long she's been doing this, and I feel like we got to look after each other out here. You know, something bad could have happened to a future hiker. I'm not sure. Something bad could have happened to her. You know, doing that shit. You never know. But what I do know is I know that arguing with that lady, I feel like this had to be the way. And I'm glad that some action is being taken. But it still doesn't feel good. You know, this could have been one of my true purposes for coming on this trail without even knowing it, was to help get that woman going. So I guess that counts for something. I mean, it does, but still don't feel good. Let's now wait till the water runs dry. Don't do it, baby. This is the end of segment 4. Moving on to segment 3. And it's that time to thank everybody. I want to thank my cousin Alan. I want to thank Ryan, Lena, and Austin for coming out and bringing my package at the very beginning. I want to thank Tough Love for being awesome. And I want to say fuck you, Robyn.